So the inbox is the place where you will see all the comments, the DMs and the reviews of your profiles. All your profiles will be gathered here, so you can manage them from the same place, and you don't need to log in on all the profiles and have 10 tabs open. Everything will be here now. So first you have the comments on every post, and it looks like this. And then you will see the comments that are unread and the comment that needs a reply. So you can add a tag here, needs a reply. And then for every comment, you can reply to them directly from Mydrop by writing manually or by using AI, and write an AI draft about it. And that's it. The draft is ready. And then you can directly send it from Mydrop. This is the same for the DMs and personal messages. So you can see the DMs of your profiles here. And you can also see the reviews. For this one is for Google My Business, as well as Facebook pages. The reviews will appear here. So if you have happy customer, you can quickly answer to these reviews. So then every conversation, being a comment, message or review, will come with the same tools here. So first you can change the status manually if you want. If you want to put it back on read or resolved or failed, like if something went wrong with the conversation, you can give it a priority. As you can see here, you can assign a team member, and you can add some custom tags like product related, and the tag will appear here. And then every conversation also comes with a team chat, so you can chat with your team about the chat. So this one's a good one. You can mention them. You can say, hey, this guy I think he's about to close, we should be careful, or whatever. So this is the place you can talk about it. And then if you see that the chat is not up to date, you can just click resync here, but everything should be automatic. Okay, so that's it for the inbox, pretty straightforward. You can see you can even like the messages like LinkedIn here. This is great. And now let's head to the next feature, the auto reply.